All right, the drink we're about to make is called Chiquita. Let's go ahead and fill up a mixing glass with ice. And we're going to measure out 1 ounce of banana liqueur. And we'll follow that up with 1 ounce of vodka. Now it's just equal parts of those 2 ingredients. So if you'd like to do more or less, that's totally up to you. And the last thing we're going to do is add 2 ounces of either light cream or milk. It's up to you. All right. You can take your shaker. Just give it a couple shakes, just enough to get everything mixed together. And set up your glass. Go ahead and pour it in. All right, I can smell that banana. And if you'd like, you can garnish it with a couple of cherries, just for looks. And we'll add a straw. And you have yourself a Chiquita, a nice banana cocktail. Bottoms up.